Why, good morning. It's Kat right here. So today the project we are doing is we are going up to Cow Ranch to get some chicks. So we had 6 chickens. We gave all of them away on KSL. We just posted, somebody came and picked them up, and we're starting fresh because for one reason, the chickens were still laying eggs, but just not as many eggs. We just weren't getting as many, just wasn't working out as well. And so also, if you get chicks and you have chickens, the chickens can be really mean and kind of beat up on the chicks, so it's really best to keep them separate while the chicks are growing up. But we just don't really have somewhere good for the chicks to live and separate from the chickens. So we're getting all fresh. So we're going up to Cow Ranch to get our chicks. Okay, we are here at Cow Ranch. Now we're gonna go get our chicks. Okay, we're just here at Cow Ranch picking out the breeds. We got them in these little boxes and we're gonna get 12 chicks. Okay, so we are back from Cow Ranch. We got the supplies. I'm gonna show you what we got. We got the bulb, that's the heat bulb for the chicks. We got the light fixture, and then we got the chick brooder kit. So basically, the chicks, when they're just teeny tiny little things, our chicken coop, as you've probably seen in the video before, is fairly big. So we're just buying this to keep them in a small little container, but if we just put them in there, it gets a little too cold. So this, with all this light fixtures, is gonna keep them warm, keep them alive. So I'm here in the chicken coop, got the chick brooder kit. I'm gonna set this up to show you how and why I got this. So it came with some instructions. Now I just gotta read this and get this thing set up. So I wanted to show you the different lamps that I have. So we have this lamp that is the red lamp. It is the heat lamp that you use at night. So it creates the heat, but it isn't really bright. For the nighttime, we have this other heat lamp that's very bright, but it's just like daylight heat. It's what this one creates. So we'll have this one hanging from here during the day, then at night we'll come out and we'll switch them to this one hanging during the night. And then that way the chicks will stay warm and they will not freeze to death. They will stay warm and stay alive. Okay, so we went up to Cow Ranch and we got the chicks. They had a lot of different kinds, and so we picked out 6 of the breeds and we got 2 chicks of each of the breeds. So I'm going to show you all the ones that we got. So in this box we got 2 sapphire gems and 2 Americanas. Let me show you. So the Americana breed comes in a variety of color and a variety of colored eggs, hens, and chicks. So they are going to be, this one's an Americana. There's the little guy. This one's also an Americana. Then these other 2 are Sapphire Splash. The chicks are kind of a golden, almost gray color when they grow to be a full-size hen. Oh, calm down, calm down. They will be kind of a white-gray color to them, and they will lay brown eggs. So we got 2 of these. Okay. Right. The next batch we got is Barred Rock and Buff Orpington. The Barred Rock are black and white. When they get bigger, they will be black and white hens. Okay, then we got some Buff Orpington, and these ones will be kind of a gray hen. I said that wrong. I mean, not a gray hen, these ones will be a brown hen, lay brown eggs. Okay, this is our last box. We got Sapphire Gems, so there were some Sapphire Splash, and these are Sapphire Gems. Kind of a gray and black, and they'll be a little darker than the Sapphire Splash. And these last one are Gold Sex Link, and they'll be a very pretty kind of a dark gold color when they're hens, and they will lay brown eggs. These are all the chicks. You can see there's a light right here. They kind of bunch up together underneath the heat lamp to stay warm. Here's their water, here's their food. I got them on a little 2x4 to keep them up so they don't get all full of the wood chips. Okay, we got the chick brooder kit all set up. Now we just gotta keep tending to these little chicks while they grow up. We gotta keep them watered, keep them fed, keep the heat on them. Once they're bigger, we'll let them loose into the coop. Once they're even bigger, we'll let them loose into the yard, and then they can go around and have some fun. So remember, work hard, play hard. See you on the next project.